Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase the volume of YouTube videos in Google Chrome beyond the maximum limit. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will slide out to the side. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Sound Booster, then press Enter to search. This extension is specifically designed to boost audio output beyond your system's default maximum, which is perfect for those quieter YouTube videos that even at full volume aren't loud enough. After the search results appear, look for the Sound Booster extension in the list. Click on it to open the extension's details page. Here you'll be able to read more about what it does and see reviews from other users who've installed it. On the extensions page, you'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome in the upper right area. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm and complete the installation. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, navigate to YouTube and play any video of your choice. This is where you'll test out the sound booster and increase the volume beyond the standard limits. While your video is playing, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the drop-down list that appears, find and click on the Sound Booster extension you just installed. A small control panel will pop up showing you the extension settings. You'll see a toggle button at the top. Make sure this toggle is switched on to activate the Sound Booster. Right below the toggle, you'll notice a slider control. This is where the magic happens. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase the volume beyond YouTube's maximum level. You can adjust it to whatever level works best for you, and the changes will apply immediately to your video. And that's it! You've successfully boosted the volume of YouTube videos in Chrome, making even the quietest content perfectly audible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.